This experiment number 8, implementation of SOM, that is self-organizing map. So the uh, library is mini SOM. So first we install it and then import mini SOM from that SOM library and loading the dataset driver as begin. Second question is to perform value imputation using value imputation using P-plan name or df.mean. It fills all the empty values with the mean of that particular column. Next is standardizing the data, and for standardization use standard scalar and then fit transform. Scalar dot fit transform of that particular data set. So you get the scale data. Next one is initialization. So I'm initializing the learning rate is equal to 0.5, sigma is equal to 1, and maximum number of iteration max item is equal to 5000. Next is visualizing the input feature distribution. This is the input feature distribution using scatter plot. So there are like 4 clusters here and 4 centroids. The next is perform SOM clustering with different number of clusters in a loop. So we are taking clusters 2 to 5. And using mini SOM function library, function from the Minisom library, then train the model and assign data points to specific clusters, and then compute the Silhouette score for each cluster number. So here we'll just train the model. And next one is to plot the Silhouette score curve. So these are the 4 Silhouette score we got, and this is the curve that represents all the Silhouette scores. Then evaluation of the clustering points. So we are using methods such as Silhouette score, then partition coefficient and partition entropy coefficient to assess the model. And next question is choose the model with optimal number of clusters where the higher Silhouette score as the best performing model. So the higher Silhouette score we got is 7.7836, which is k equal to 4. And that is the output that we got here also. The 10th one is display the cluster centroids. So to display the centroids, we are using the best centroid variable, which we defined here. So we're just printing it, then visualizing the clusters. So as you can see, there are like 4 clusters here, with each cluster having a centroid represented by a cross. Next is visualizing the data in Power BI. Already the data and the visualization goes like this. It's the scatter plot that we got through Power BI, and this is the bar graph, or the clustering column graph of average mean over speed per C and average of mean distance per day by the predicted cluster. So, thank you.